Hi, I'm John from Hillsborough, New Jersey. Shout out to the Big Jackpot. Boom!
Major and minors.
They've all the major and minors have been pretty low on these.
I really thought you did that. Can we do it here? No, actually.
First smash that like button, everyone.
Right.
Come on.
You guys wake up out there. 2,100 people watching live tonight. Big shout to all the Raja's High Roller Patreon members in the house. All right. Start out here.
Come on, right on the back.
That'd be nice. Saw that one was earlier today. It gave me started out good and then went horrible. I went up to 50 a bet. A little something, 50 bucks. The Slot Freaks, $2 super chat. Good luck tonight, guys. BBB hashtag NJ Slot Guy. Come on! Ah, 2 Taj Mahals. Need 3.
Come on.
Are you guys doing anything in Reno?
Yeah, if the coins didn't block it, it would have been something. $60.
Multitasking.
Oh, nice. Look what he's got. Watching it.
Oh, nice. Watching live in person.
Come on, right here.
Ah.
No, the one that's nice. Are you guys going to Reno anytime?
75. We gotta pump this up.
Come on. Oh.
All right, a little something.
Come on, Taj Mahal.
Come on, it's coming.
Do you think it's better for you to get $15?
Look at this thing. Come on.
Come on.
Wow. Gulf Coast Slots, $5 super chat. Big spins, big wins. Get it, Raja. Thank you, Gulf Coast Slots.
Come on.
Wow, look at this thing. Horrible.
Oh, it's green on those camels.
It's tough.
Come on, right here.
Yeah. Jason, $5 super chat. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up until it turns blue, everyone. Come on. Yes! Oh my God!
There we go. Yes. I was like,
Until it turns blue, everyone. Happy Friday. Wrench, please. Thank you, Jason. $5 super chat. There we go. This one's
come
good.
on, this is good. This is our
Finally. Woo. All right.
Come on.
Anything.
Balls.
Ah.
Anything.
Ah, still. Yeah, I'd still take that any day of the week.
So first contest underway.
All right.
Now it's 5 rounds consecutive, back to back,
Yep.
back to back.
Don't forget to ask when the contest is right now.
$6,675. Boom!
If I had a rose, I'd give it to you.
Boom, boom, boom. $6,675. Put that on the old Snapchat. Yeah, take a picture of that, Jeremy.
Yeah, you hooked me up. Yep, thank you. One more, 3, 2, 1.
There we go. There's Tracy D. Hello, telephone. I don't mind when I don't get any other coins as long as I get those ones. Oh, okay. Good. Thanks for coming up. Congratulations. Ah, God. Can you call the attendant? Thanks. Anything over 5,000, they have to insert.
Really?
Yeah, nah, it's auto pay, but over $5,000, they have to insert the card.
That's a good hit.
I just think I know.
A few more balls.
I know. That's what but even without balls, that's the hit that you want.
That's a hell of a hit.
I'll take that any day of the week. They just take 1 minute.
Scott, nice to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. How you been? Good
Oh, yeah, great.
stuff. All right, just 1 minute here. Jonathan, $5 super chat. Best of luck tonight from 2 machines down. Hashtag Raja.
Yeah.
Hey, Jonathan. Yeah, we'll show you Jonathan while we're waiting. You can just insert a card.
You want to be on?
Sure, why
I'll
not?
just
Yeah, but
show.
he wants to be-
Yeah, and here's Jonathan. Just sent the super chat. 2 machines down right here. He's been hitting some jackpots.
I hit 1350 before, but it's been a...
Let's see it right here.
Come on, 3 more.
3 more. I already did the quick pay, but you just have to. 3 more. Come on.
Sure, Brian.
Fine.
No, I'm happy to see you back here.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah,
You're gonna come
definitely.
tomorrow night too?
Yeah, I'm
Should be
gonna,
good,
yeah,
yeah.
I'm gonna be out here tomorrow night too. I'll have a good time.
Come on. It's terrible. Come on. I blame Brian.
Yeah, right there.
Big booms in Raja's room.
I definitely blame Brian for this.
Brian's close by.
I know, he's too close. Come on, one
Brian,
more.
step away. So we have these dolphins and ball.
Like the girl started Raj's slot. Like any
Oh,
questions?
come on.
Come on, everyone.
Come on, guys. Hashtag anything is for good luck right now.
Good.
Come on.
Do those 3 challenges in that, Jay. Come on, let's see it.
I'm
It's coming.
trying.
No, come on,
I'm
dolphins.
not. I'm not
Dolphins for
thrashing
days.
you.
Brian's walking away, so there should be no excuses
We got a
now.
chance.
But
Brian's starting to walk away. This is true.
Brian's walking away, so there's no excuses.
T Visine, Brian's drink. She got rid of him.
I did like he's gonna go use the bathroom now.
All right, and we're back in business over here. We've been reset over here. Ready? Oh, wait. All right, hold on. All right, we got
This is a
bonus
hand
show.
pay right here. Oh, here comes Brian.
Oh,
Brian, step
jeez.
away
Here
for a
comes-
second.
here
Has
comes
Brian given you one of his lucky chips yet?
I did.
I have it in my. That's why. Hold
That's
on,
why
wait.
you're not hitting nothing.
He just got a bonus. If he doesn't want it, I'll buy it off him.
Ooh, Brian said he'll buy it
Yeah, I'll
off for
take
you.
it.
50 bucks.
I'll give you 500 cash for this bonus.
I'll take my bonus. I'll take my chances. Let's see what happens here.
Big one, chip.
Come on, ball.
Yeah, ball.
Ball. Oh, come on. Ball or dolphin.
All
All right. Hey, that's good. That's huge.
That's 200 bucks.
That's a mini hand pay.
That's 200 bucks.
All right,
Steve.
offer
Come
still
on.
stands 400 for this bonus.
That's 200 bucks, Steve. I'm still good.
That's a mini hand pay.
That's
Come
a
on,
mini hand
ball.
bill. It's a.
All right,
All right.
Starfish.
All right. That's 80 more.
If you-
330.
If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, you probably won't see the rest of this bonus round. It's only for subscribe members only.
Or it's thumbs up.
Oh, that's a big hit.
Thumbs up. Come on, guys. Thumbs up.
Wild.
Hey,
There you go.
hey.
Retrigger.
Retrigger, yes.
How many?
2,400
2,400 people watching. 685 thumbs up. Come on, guys. What is wrong with you?
Stick your thumb up somewhere.
Whoa.
Wild. Oh, the mini.
Oh,
Oh,
mini.
nice,
Why
nice.
tease me
Come on,
like
the
that?
mini.
Come on. Ball.
Mini.
Girl. Something.
Ah,
Come on, one good one here.
mini.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Wild.
Match up.
There you go,
All right,
Kings. That's
not
good.
bad.
How much is that?
Probably another
200.
200 or so. 500. You would
520.
have made 20 bucks on that.
See? Took that one down to the wire. All right, we're back in business.
First contest ended. We have one person break 1 million.
Nice. So they're gonna get an entry.
Got it. I'll give you a hint. He was using the new Wild West.
Wes.
Yep. West hit.
That's Wes.
1 million.
Congratulations, Wes. You have one entry into the group pool.
Tomorrow,
No, on the app. For the contest.
the original classic
Yeah, the main game.
This one, right?
No.
No, no.
The
Come on, do it again.
So round 2 will be starting soon. 5 rounds back to back. Round 2, top 10 people, 10 megas. And BOGO is live all night.
wow.
Come on, right here.
2 more. little something.
Come on, Cosmos. Come on. Oh.
Oh, minors.
Come on, right here. Balls.
All right, 2 more spins on this one. Then we'll move over to the Happy Lantern. All right. A little Happy Lantern action. Hello, Happy Lantern here.